Hello, my good peeps, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving my kitchen table a brand new look. I already have the wood separated by 3s and 2s, and I'm going to go over to my miter saw and start cutting them to fit. The table is about 5 feet long and about 3 feet wide, so I'm just measuring all of my pieces so that the table can have a 1/2 inch overhang. I got this saw. This is my heart saw, and it's my first time using it. And I'm actually really happy with the results. Everything came out exactly how I pictured it. So you see I have my layout here. Now I'm going to start sanding my pallet wood. I'm using a 40 grit sandpaper with my orbital sander. And I realized I was on the floor. I said, girl, get up. You forgot that you got a whole table that you can use to sand your wood. So I'm on a table sanding every single piece of wood, front, back, side to side. I want this to be completely smooth, completely free of anything that might, kind of like shoot up and cause a splinter or anything like that. So I am sanding this to the gods. So this is how my table looks, just a plain white table, very boring, very blah. So here I am organizing the pieces on the table and using my staple gun to secure them in place. And as you know, pallet wood can be a little warped or bowing. So using the staple gun, using the nail gun can help everything to sit snug. And this part was really easy. It went by really, really fast. I just love my staple gun. It is no fail every time. So here I am nailing in the last piece and moving any dust or debris that may have come up. So I'm going to take this thing outside, give it one more good sanding, just in case anything may have, popped up. But isn't it just beautiful? You could leave it like this, but I don't want to. I'm going to get this thing prepped for stain. So here I am back in the garage. This time I'm using, I think it was a 80 grit sandpaper, and I'm just trying to get it nice and smooth. And here I have my plastic wood filler. Again, pallet wood is not perfect, so I'm using this to fill in any cracks or any part that kind of bowed to the left or the right. So see that part, it has a bit of a gap. I'm using this filler to make it to where nothing can fall in between the pallets. And this stuff works really well because, for one, it also stains and it's an easy cleanup while you're applying it. And here I'm using my Old Faithful, my Varathane Polystain in the color Kona, and it is a gloss finish. I love this thing. I've used it on several different projects, and I'm going to use a sponge brush to apply it. Here it is. It's going on really easy. This part also went by really fast. Only thing is the smell, because I'm doing it inside, it lingered, I want to say, for about 2 days. So, you kind of got to open up a window. Oh, and there we have it, my beautiful piece. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. To do this project, the only thing I had to buy was the wood filler. And that is it. I already had everything else on hand. I love you all so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video. You see how that wood filler stained in really well? You guys take care. I really hope to catch you in my next video. All right, bye.